We have some locations here. We want to extract the state name from here, like HR, AS, HR. And we, in the previous chapters, if you remember, we might have heard about flash fill, and that's a very powerful tool. So we can use flash fill here. I'll type in HR and press Control E to fill it. Oh, wow. What is this? Why the flash fill is not working? I heard about flash fill so much. What's wrong here? I typed in first letter correctly and that it should work. I can see the symbol of flash fill as well. Now, flash fill, although it's a very powerful tool, but sometimes you can get error. It will not work. So you may get an error with flash fill at certain times on certain occasions. So because it is not reading the data correctly. So what we want to find out here is we want to find out we use flash fill and sometimes it doesn't work. And over here we want to extract the state name from these letters. So flash fill is not working. So if this is the case, we can use the find function along with this. So over here, we can use the find function or search function. So we can find, if I can find, so the idea is if I can find the comma, where the comma is, I can extract two characters next to it, right? I can do that. If I can find the comma, I can extract two characters from that text. So I'll use the find function instead. Find. What do I want to find? Comma. Where in this cell? I'm going to double quote here. And I close the parentheses. Here we go. It says it's a 12th character. Here it says it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th character. And we can see that happening. So now we found the comma. Now the state name begins two characters, two letters, two character letter left. So the function we will be using, we want to extract the data from the middle of this text. So we want to pull the data from the middle as from somewhere in the middle. Now starting where the comma is, we want to have two letters ahead. We want to go two letters ahead. So we want to extract the data from the middle of this. So we'll use the function mid. Which text? Of course, from this text, comma, which starting number, which number you want to start. Whatever number we are getting here, you go two letters after this. And then how many number of characters you want to extract. So my state name is two characters, so I'll say two characters I want to extract. And close the parentheses, we get an answer. Here we go. Text to column, flash fill, very powerful tool, but sometimes they don't work. Then you know how to use them with the mid function if you want to extract the data from the middle of the text. So over here, like we are finding the comma first, and then we want to get two characters after that comma. So we add it to over here, and then we are extracting information from the middle of this text. How many characters? Two characters. So very powerful function. Find, search, and mid. Find and search are these case sensitive. Find as case sensitive. Search is not a case sensitive, so you know where you want to use them. And if your flash fill fails, you can use text to column. If that fails, you can also use this mid function in order to extract the data from the middle of the text.